Hey there, herb nerds! Today we're going to be talking about St. John's wort. This herb has been used for centuries to treat various ailments, including depression, anxiety, and nerve pain. St. John's wort is a plant that is native to Europe, but it can also be found in other parts of the world. It is often used in traditional medicine as a natural remedy for a variety of health issues. One of the most well-known uses of St. John's wort is for treating depression. It is believed that the herb works by increasing the levels of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood. Studies have shown that St. John's wort can be as effective as prescription antidepressants, but without the side effects. In addition to treating depression, St. John's wort has also been shown to be effective in treating anxiety. The herb has a calming effect on the body and can help to reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. St. John's wort is also used to treat nerve pain, such as sciatica and neuropathy. The herb contains compounds that have a pain-relieving effect, making it a natural alternative to prescription pain medications. When using St. John's wort, it is important to be aware of potential side effects. The herb can interact with certain medications, including antidepressants and birth control pills. It can also make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so it's important to wear sunscreen when using the herb. Overall, St. John's wort is a versatile herb that can be used to treat a variety of health issues. If you're interested in using this herb, be sure to talk to your healthcare provider to ensure it's safe for you to use. Thanks for tuning in to Herb Nerd TV. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more herbal tips and tricks.